Welcome to Learn Maths by Naveen Kumar. So today in this video I am just going to explain you similar triangles, which is syllabus from the 10th standard mathematics. So today I am going to discuss you a topic from that similar triangles is basic proportionality theorem. So similar triangles, many people they will feel it is difficult to study that particular chapter, but in my version it is very easy to understand entire similar triangles, because we have only 4 topics are been arranged in the 10th standard mathematics. So in that, one of the topic is basic proportionality theorem. So let us we discuss that what is basic proportionality theorem and what is that condition we get it from that theorem. Okay, so first we will understand the statement of the basic proportionality theorem. And the statement of that basic proportionality theorem is, in a triangle, if you draw a line parallel to one side of the triangle, in a triangle, if you draw a line parallel to one side of the triangle, then it intersects other two sides in distinct points, and other two sides are divided in a same ratio. So to prove this statement, I am going to consider the triangle ABC, and I am going to draw a line parallel to side BC. I am going to draw a line DE is a parallel to BC, so that I am going to prove AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. So to prove this, I am going to draw that construction. I am going to join B and E and C and D, and also I am going to drop two perpendiculars to altitudes onto that line segment AB and AC, respectively known as EN and also DM. So now we can observe that entire figure carefully, and from that figure, with the help of that area of the triangle concept, I am going to derive the condition of the basic proportionality theorem. So if you observe clearly in that figure, we get a triangle ADE. So first of all, I am going to find out that area of the triangle ADE. So I am going to take it aside. So if you took that part of area of triangle ADE, then you can observe what is that base and corresponding heights are mentioned in the triangle. Here AD is a corresponding base, AD is a base, and EN is a corresponding height upon to that base. So area of the triangle formula, we know that half into base into height. If you substitute that values within that formula, area of triangle ADE we get it in the form of half into AD into EN. Now we consider the second part of the triangle BDE, which is drawn onto the side AB. If you consider the triangle BDE, then observe BD is base of the triangle, and where the altitude have been drawn onto that baseline segment outside of the triangle, which is again known as EN. So consider that corresponding base and heights, and again you can apply that terms within that formula of area of the triangle. So area of the triangle BDE we get it equals to half into BD into EN. So you divide these two of that area of the triangles. Then by that simplification, we get AD by DB is a value. AD by DB is that value. The same like that, you consider two more triangles which are drawn upon that side of AC. So first of all, again I am going to consider the triangle ADE, but you have to change that corresponding height and bases respectively. Consider which are drawn upon to that AC line segment. So here, by the consideration, if you took the triangle ADE, you observe clearly, I will consider AE is a baseline segment right now, and a DM is a altitude, which is a drop onto that base AE. So what is that formula we get it? What is the area of the triangle ADA we get it now? Half into base into height is the general formula. If you substitute the terms within that formula, we get area of the triangle ADE equals to half into AE into DM. So now you consider that other different triangle which is drawn onto the line segment AC again. So that is nothing but CDE triangle. Consider CDE triangle. So you can observe clearly triangle CDE. So there I am going to consider that base of the triangle is CE and also CE or else EC, and also I am going to consider that height of the triangle is DM. DM you can observe it. It is an altitude which is a drop upon to that line segment. EC if you produce, so which we get it outside of the triangle. You can substitute the two terms within that formula again. So area of the triangle CDE we get it in the form of half into EC into DM. If you divide the two of that areas again by the simplification, we get it AE by EC is the second equation. Now observe the triangle BDE and CDE. Both the triangles are being constructed upon the same baseline segment DE, and in between that parallel lines DE and BC. Therefore we have to consider that two of that area of the triangles are equal, and you have to consider this is a third equation. If two triangles are being constructed upon the same baseline segment and in between that parallel lines, then the area of the triangles are being equal. This is the third equation. So from the equations 1, 2 and 3, we conclude that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Hence it is proved. I hope you understand this video. To understand that concept in more clear, please do watch, like, share and subscribe for watching that further videos. Thank you.